Bonjour les garçons, so Mr. P here. Today we are going to address paper 2 AS French, section 2. And it's a section where you have to rephrase a sentence from the text 1, and you need to basically restart with the words they give you. Today what we are going to focus on in the following, we are going to take a look at voix active, voix passive. So how to go from voix active to voix passive. Technically, it's the same in French and English, but if you want to make sure that everything is done properly, you just need to execute the following steps. Let's take a look at our sentences. The first one. Monsieur Blanc entraîne l'équipe de football. So Mr. White trains the football team. Now, they want you to start with the following. L'équipe de football. So what do you notice here? You notice that there's been, like, the object in the first sentence has become the subject. And the subject is going to become your object. Okay? So we are going to write Monsieur Blanc somewhere here. Okay. And now we need to add par, by Mr. White, because in English passive would be the football team is coached or is trained by Mr. White. So by in French is going to be par. And then the last step for the passive voice would be to take a look at the verb given to you here, entraîne. So Mr. Blanc, Mr. White trains the team. The team is trained by Mr. White. So we have to take a look at the same tense and use that for être. That's a present tense here, right? So we are going to write l'équipe de football est. And the last touch is going to be passive voice, so we are going to use a past participle or PP. So entraîne is going to become entraîné, just like that. And to make sure everything is correct, I double check. My subject, l'équipe de football. My participle, entraîner, with être. I know that équipe is feminine, so in this case, I need to add E. And just like that, I have my full sentence. L'équipe de football est entraînée par Monsieur Blanc. Second sentence, same situation. Bernard a invité Catherine à dîner. Okay, Bernard invited Catherine to dinner. We want passive. Catherine has been invited by Bernard. Sujet, objet, objet, sujet. Bernard va être à la fin de ma phrase. Par Bernard, by Bernard. That's by in French. A invité, that's passé composé, right? That's the past tense. That's what I need for être. Être in the past tense should be a été, okay? And now this, again, just like last time, just like earlier, I need to write the past participle. So we already have it. We just write it down again. The last touch, I check. Catherine is a girl. Catherine is feminine, right? That's why I put the little E over there. Catherine a été invitée par Bernard. And just like that, I have my answer. And the last one is a special case. So it's not very different, but there is a little something we are going to change. Let me show you what. On fera l'impossible. We will do the impossible, okay? So the impossible will be done by us, right? So on is supposed to be nous, okay? Par nous. L'impossible. On fera. Fera is future tense. So we need to have être in the future. Être in the future should be sera. So as you can see, you need to know all your tenses, right? In and out, especially for être. And then fera is the verb faire. So we are going to need faire, the past participle, just like that. And here is the answer. L'impossible sera fait par nous. However, what are we doing here? We are talking in general. So, par nous is implied. You don't need to write it down in your answer. I don't think they would penalize, but just in case, l'impossible sera fait should be the proper answer. And there you have it, guys. This is how you go from active to passive voice. Merci. Au revoir.